So in today's video we are going to University Estate. So I want to show you the distance from Agbogazi Nike roundabout into University Estate. Yes, for you to see for yourself that University Estate has good potential for development, and it is not far from town, and it is also not far from Agbogazi Nike roundabout. So enjoy the ride from Agbogazi Nike roundabout into University Estate. Welcome to University Estate. University Estate is one of those properties in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria, purposely for land banking. University Estate is situated in Agbogazi Nike, Enugu East local government area. University Estate is just 15-minute drive from Nike Lake Resort, and it is 5-minute drive from Agbogazi Nike roundabout, and 2-minute drive from the major third road leading to Neke Isuzo. University Estate is for land banking. Currently, it is selling for 1.5 million naira. One of the most interesting things about University Estate is instant allocation. If you make your payment today, pay for your documentation, in the next 2 weeks, you will be here for your allocation. As you can see, clearing is ongoing here. Look at the environment. Clearing is ongoing. It is a table land. Look at it. Look around me. It is a table land and 100% dry topography. University Estate has other neighborhoods like Destiny Layouts, Regent City, Regent Court, Flourish Estate. Even Kanu has his own estate along this road. If you follow this road straight down, you'll be going to where Kanu has his own estate. So it has good neighborhood. Real estate developers are here. Remember that one of the things that makes an area to develop is the rate at which real estate developers move to the environment. So currently, we have real estate developers moving in here speedily. And with that rate, it will make this environment to develop as soon as possible. University Estate has neighborhood also like the Maduka University, which is at the other end of the road. If you get to Agbogazi Nike roundabout, follow straight, you'll be going to Opisuka, and then you pass Maduka University, while if you take the right side, you'll be coming to University Estate. So it has good neighborhood. By the time the university will start functioning, one can erect hostel here. Students could live here and still be going to that university. It's an open university. It is not the type that the management has strict rule concerning where the students must live. It is an open university. One can erect hostel here. Students could live here and be going to the school, just like Finca's Corner. So University Estate has good potential for development. So it is somewhere you buy, give it, give it at least 5 to 10 years for its development to happen. Call or WhatsApp me for your real estate investments or any information concerning real estate in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria. Call me on 0803 743 5005. I am your real estate consultant here in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria. Loveth, Aneke. Until I come your way again. Bye for now.